Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas, a health insurance broker in Southern California, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to learn how to enroll yourself in a covered California plan. Now, I'm going to get right into it. I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to go right into the steps as far as how you can enroll yourself into covered California. But before we get started, you're going to need some information. You're going to need your last year's taxes. You're going to need your identification, whether you're a permanent resident or a citizen. You're gonna need those supporting documents, your driver's license, everybody's information, full name, date of birth, social security numbers, and I recommend for you to make your identification into a PDF so to make it an easy upload into Covered California. Now go ahead and go get all that information and we're gonna get started and show you how to enroll yourself into a Covered California plan. Now you go ahead and start off by going to coveredca.com and you go ahead and enroll or start application, and this is how you'll get to the screen. You select the year of what you're applying for, you enter in your zip code. How did you hear about Covered California? You select that. The date that you are enrolling. This happened to be yesterday, so it's October 15th. And then what source of your application? In person, over the phone, online. And this is where it asks you if you want help with if you want affordable health insurance, and that's where you click yes. That means that you're applying to get affordable insurance, so that means you're going to put in all your information and it's going to give you a rate based off of your income. Obviously, you can tell this is your first name, first, last name, and date of birth. The rest of it should be pretty self-explanatory. As far as enrolling, but this is going to be based off a single person who is not married, making their own income. They're self-employed. That's going to be the language that you want your information to come in. And it's going to ask you different, if you're from anywhere. This was going to ask, to put your social security number. Obviously, I put in a dummy social security number, your street address. This is all made up. It's going to ask you how you want to be contacted. This is where you put in your information. Now, I already had uploaded a PDF. I actually just put a dummy PDF. I just put, someone's information. So it wasn't anyone's particular info. But I just kind of selected something. And this is where you, assign your driver's license or whatever it is. If it's your passport, green card, and you want to upload that information. This is asking if anyone has Medicare. Usually that only applies to people who are 65 and older, or if they are younger, if they are disabled. Now, as you can see, the rest of this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. You just answer the questions according to, you. This is where it starts to get a little more technical and starts asking you if you plan to file, if you're required to file, and how you file taxes. It's important anyone claiming you as a dependent. If you're over 26, someone should not be claiming you as a dependent anymore because you're not allowed to unless you are disabled. So this person is a gamer and makes $50,000 a year. What a life.
Now, do you get this income before January 2020? Do you still get it and you anticipate it to end? Those are the questions that I ask. These are all other type of money that you could possibly be getting. Just for the sake of the video, I just click next. That doesn't apply to me. But you're more than welcome to, go through each one carefully and see if it applies to you. But if you're only getting one source of income, I don't think you'll be putting any of that information. So that's pretty much it. That's the application of how to. This is the video of how to enroll to Covered California. And I went through this pretty quickly. I may have to go back and kind of review it, just to kind of get a maybe better idea as far as what the questions are. But if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or send me a DM. Take care.